Good morning, kids. Last time I sent you chapter number 3 audio lecture that was more on Windows 7. So in that chapter you might have seen that there is a lot of practical parts. So I'm going to explain you that practically. First of all, we need to know that what is control panel. I told you that it is a system folder which allows you to make changes in the appearance and current settings of the Windows. So how we will open the control panel? We will click on this start button icon. Then start menu will appear. You can see this figure. After that, we can change the icons view. For that, we need to open the control panel and you can see this view by category. In this, there are three options. One is category, then small icon and large icon. So when you open category, all these things you can see, all these computer settings you can see in this. But if you click on the small icons, then you will see the icons like this. Now you can see here it is small icon is selected. If we click on the large icons, then these icons will become large in size. Then we will see the category view. I told you this earlier also. Category view, all these are grouped together. Then we can change the date and time of the system. For that, we need to open the control panel. We need to ensure that category view is selected. We will go to the select clock, language and region category. You can see this where the mouse is pointed. Then the clock, language and region window appears. In this you have three options: date and time, language and region. Sometimes region and language is given together. So we will select this. After that you can change the date and time from this. Change date and time. And you can change calendar settings, means you can change the date of your system or the specific time of your system. Then we come to the recycle bin. I told you recycle bin is a folder. Whatever we delete from our system, it goes into the recycle bin. So this is the icon of the recycle bin, and there are two this is the option which are given when we click on the right click on recycle bin. Now we want to remove a file, so we need to click the deleted options. Or if we want to restore that file, means we have deleted this file from our system but we need this system in for future use, so we will restore, or we will click on this restore option, so that file will be moved to our folder again. Thank you.